Kate here with WTI, and check out this classy faucet from YardMonet. So I love everything about this faucet. The simplistic design, the beautiful gold color, and even how easy it is to install. So this goes in one hole and there's only one handle, so super easy to use to move from hot to cold. It's got very simple hot and cold indicators just in this little red and blue color, but it doesn't take away from the design of the faucet at all. I love the stream that comes out. It's got nice pressure, not too much, it doesn't splash, and it doesn't drip when it's turned off. It also comes with a drain stopper, which is also in the gorgeous brush gold color. It works amazing. It keeps all of the water in your sink, and it's just a push up and push down, which I love. This was one of the easiest faucets to install. Everything is very simple. It comes with what you need. All you do is screw it on. It's so easy. We've been slowly transitioning away from black and into gold, and this was the perfect addition to my bathroom. Of course, it comes in all of the other finishes as well, but I definitely think that this faucet in particular is beautiful. It works so well, and it's exactly what you need in your bathroom to class it up, and that's my point of view.